Ooh, delivery. Don't know what it's going to be like. We'll have a look. Nice box. Ta-da! Quite heavy. What else you got in here? Stuff. Plug. Nothing else. Instructions. Plug in your Echo Show. Set up your Echo Show. That's it. Okay. Plastic time. You got your screen here, you got some buttons at the top, and you got a big speaker down here. On the bottom it's got like a non-slip surface. Yeah. That's cool. Plug. So, just straight in the back. That's weird. Look. Old school plug. Not USB.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Your Amazon Echo Show is ready for setup.
That's good. English United Kingdom. Can't show you this bit. It's connecting. Oh, wow, that's cool.
Introducing Amazon Echo Show.
Your Echo Show is ready.
Ooh. Alexa, tell Hive to turn the back room light off.
Aha, you nearly outsmarted me.
Oh.
That plug is already off.
Oh. It is. Alexa, tell Hive to turn the back room light on.
Yeah.
Alexa, tell Hive to turn the back room light off.
Yes, of course.
Alexa, what is the heating set at?
20.6 degrees.
Alexa, turn the heating up to 21.5. Alexa, show me the news feed.
Here's your flash briefing. From Sky News.
From the Sky News Centre at 7, Henry Bolton
Alexa.
lost nearly...
Next.
In headlines from BBC News.
This is BBC News, our latest headlines. There's fresh evidence of the
Alexa,
intense
stop. Alexa, show me the Grand Tour.
Here's what I found.
The army has warned that Britain's military may struggle to respond to future security.
Let's roll it. Here is Richard Hammond. Can he contain 107?
Alexa, start from the beginning. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So I've synced the... Hang on. Alexa, pause. Alexa, show me my calendar.
Here are the calendar events.
So I've got the calendar done and stuff like that. So far, so good. It's kind of cool. I think we got the Sonos, we got the Hive all connected up, and we just have to see how it goes. So, thumbs up so far. Alexa, play some funky music.
Here's a station for funky music. Funk from Amazon Music.